A case that at its core has to do with pedophile priests is scheduled to go in front of an Allegheny County judge tomorrow.
The case also accuses the Green Bay Catholic Diocese of fraud for allegedly destroying evidence. The diocese strongly denies the allegations, says it takes abuse claims very seriously. Fox 11's Cameron Clark brings us balanced coverage tonight.
The day before a motion goes to court to prevent the alleged destroying of documents, the Survivors Network of those abused by priests gave out a taped deposition of Father John Dorfler, the Chancellor of the Diocese of Green Bay, from November.
We've decided clearly not to publicize such a list.
Dorfler said in the deposition some documents were destroyed before the current court case began, including files of priests who had died. He also said the diocese decided not to publicize the list of clergy who had been removed because of sex abuse allegations and then went back into the community.
Does it worry you at all that some of those people might reoffend?
No.
Stunned. And as a victim of priest abuse as a child, being sexually assaulted by a priest, devastated.
Peter Isley, Wisnap, claims the diocese destroyed the documents in anticipation of lawsuits against it.
To be almost all the evidence of fraud behavior, which is the basis of now lawsuits you can file in Wisconsin, have been eliminated.
I can't speak for Father Dorfler. He's out of town. I'll speak for myself.
The diocese director of administration, Tim Riley, has been in charge of many of the files. He says any documents that were destroyed have been so according to the diocese policy, including of deceased priests and some medical records. He also says no files are destroyed if there is pending litigation or claims.
And say we've done all sorts of things because we were imagining that we were going to be sued. It's just a little bit outrageous.
Riley says the policy was put in place before any sexual assault allegations arose against priests.
Cover-up of these cases.
And I would say that this press conference called by them is a circus.
While SNAP supports the court motion to stop the destruction of any more documents, the diocese says that has already been the case. Cameron Clark, Fox 11 News.
The case to be heard tomorrow is the civil case involving two brothers from Freedom and convicted priest John Feeney. It's a case from more than 30 years ago.